Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
I think this is why I always have an affinity to my peers, because I know the truth. I know what it takes, and all it takes is for you to believe in yourself. And that sounds so damn cheesy because we hear that all of our lives, but seriously, life is a fucking fairy tale.
Believe in you, yeah. You gotta believe. You gotta believe in you, yeah. You gotta believe. You gotta believe in you.
Hey guys, it's your girl. I'm back for another video. So the quality might be different on this video than my previous videos or my normal videos, simply because I am on my iPhone versus my Android. And so yeah, today I'm going to be doing unboxing. My dad already opened it. It's his, so he had the right to open it, but he didn't open everything. So I'm just going to be doing an unboxing on SnackCrate, y'all. We just got it in the video. We just got it into the mail today. So yeah, I'll open it and just show you guys what we got. This is not sponsored, by the way. I don't make enough money to get sponsored. One day I will, y'all. So this is what it looks like so far. This is from India. It says, "Welcome to this month's snack adventures. Get social with us. Share your snack experience. #SnackCrate." All right, y'all. Yeah. How this work? Can you take a picture? I wonder if I could take a picture. Oh, I think I might be able to take a picture. I don't know. I don't use Android. I don't use Apple products. This is all I have. So. I'm gonna get a thumbnail. Hopefully I got it one. Alright, so we bought this with our own money, y'all. So, like I said, it's not sponsored or anything like that. So, this is SnackCrate. This month is from India. So, let's see if I can open it. So, this month's crate is from India. Located in Southeast Asia, India is home to the largest population in the world. It just goes around. This tells you some stuff. I was going to read all that, but I don't feel like it. And then what more snacks from India? And you get the shortcake. It says your snacks are expired. Just kidding. But some items from India might seem that way. Most snacks will show a manufacturer date along with the claim for how long the snack is safe for after that consumption. So yeah. So in this bag we have the Kachu chili, the Fab Jam In, the Buju soup, the Lay's Magic Malaysia, Hachu Mango Bite, Popkins, Kachuta Metal, Parley G Bite Biscuits, Mix G Pineapple, Roller Cola, Cadbury Perk, Bourbon, and Thumbs Up. So we have these little, this was all in the box. I'm not going to do any taste testing, so I like this packaging. You know me, I know I'm a sucker for packaging. So I like the little wrapping paper, and then they have like the elephant. I don't know if y'all can see that. The elephant right there. I'm a sucker for packaging, y'all. So I'm going to open it. See if I can show y'all me opening it. We're going to open it. Just going to show you guys everything that's in here. Like I said, this is my dad, so I'm not going to do any taste testing. Anything like that. Okay, so we got the Lay's Malaysia. Lay's Magic Malaysia. So let's see what this describes as. Malaysia is one of India's most renowned flavors. These crisp chips are bursting with tracks of cumin, garlic, and chili, considered bringing a little mouthwash after indulging these. Okay. Then we have the Kirku chili chapter. So what these are about. Chili chapter. Okay, so these snacks live up to the name. Kurkul means crunchy in Hindi. The puff rice flavored with spicy hot flavors will keep your fingers orange and your taste buds alive. Okay, sis. Okay, so these look like Cheetos, maybe Cheetos. Then we have India snacks, Baju Sev, and Baju Sev. Let's see what they say about it. Crisp, best besan snacks bursting with traditional flavors such as carrot and red chili. The texture and delightful spice of these snack strands will leave you addicted. Okay. And then we didn't get everything that's on here, I guess. I guess this is all that came, and then you get like certain ones out of here. So okay, so next up is the Poppins. Fruit flavored jelly candies that burst with tangy sweet flavor. They also have a unique texture that Indians refer to as pulpy. Poppin', girl, poppin', girl, you poppin'. So there's that. Then we have Fab Jammin'. It says thin, crunchy cookie sandwiches filled with smooth and creamy fruit flavored cream covered with a layer of jam on top. Well, we've included either orange, strawberry, or black currant. This is orange with orange. It's orange. And then we have these. And so I'm going to leave my referral link in the description so that you guys can get money off your order, and I can get some money off my order next time too. So these are the mango bites. These candies give you the best of both worlds. The best of both worlds, sweet with a natural twist. Experience a real and puckering tank of mango that is enhanced with the light sugary bites. So yeah, we didn't get the magic pineapple, the roller cola, the bourbon, the Cadbury perk, or the biscuit. So we got everything else. And so this part, we didn't get this one. So we got the mini, it looks like. Wait. So we didn't get this side, we got to this side. So yeah. So then on here it shows you on the wrapping paper, I guess it shows you the nutritional facts for everything. Huh. I like this. This is nice. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn your post notifications so you never miss a video. And until next time, I'll talk to you later. Deuces. Wait, I'm about to say deuces, you are. We're not saying deuces yet. Listen, if you ain't like, comment, and subscribe, and you all the way into this video, what's wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Something has to be wrong with you. Like, you're a hater. I keep trying to tell y'all, if you can watch 1 minute of a video and you ain't subscribed, you're a hater. And we don't need that. What type of negativity on our platform? Where, y'all? What's wrong with you? Come on, son. I ain't gonna subscribe. I don't want to subscribe, and I don't want to subscribe. I'm just playing, y'all. We're gonna always be friends, even if you don't subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you later. Deuces.
As I've told you time and time again, you have the ability to accomplish anything that you desire.
You're special, sweetie. And God wants to do great things through you. What you believe becomes what they see. See your reflection in the mirror, may it always be a pretty girl. A pretty girl. It's a
you.